If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey girl, hey, I know I am super late with this video, but I will have the videos leading up to this big reveal linked down below in the description box. You guys can catch up and get familiar with what it is I am doing. So enjoy this video, but I will give you a heads up that this week and a couple weeks more to come will be videos that I needed to get caught up with. I'm a smidge behind on life, but I will get everything all caught up so you guys can know what's going on. All right. Until then, y'all, enjoy yourself, be happy, be kind, love each other, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA, and I am back to pack a little swap with you guys. This is the swap I've been leading up to creating little things for, so now we're going to put everything all together. And at the time of this video, you should have a video for 2 of the items for sure. So this is called the Gurl-N-Tine swap, and it's a swap that's hosted on my Facebook group via my YouTube membership. So if you're interested in joining YouTube membership for Scrap the World, you can click the join button down below in the description box, and then you'll be invited into the private Facebook group and take advantage of the swaps that happens monthly, and then the individual pop-up swaps, the flash challenge as well. So the Gurl-N-Tine, which is a knockoff or knock 2 Valentine, only it's for a lady, it's for your crafty pal, it's for your friend, and it just allows them to just slow down and enjoy the moment in time. So it's more of a cozy self-care swap, more so than it is a creative swap, but there are options for your own personal creativity that you could have included. So what we're supposed to include in this swap is 1 hand-picked mug for your partner. This is a one-on-one swap. 1 pair of socks, 1 drink item, coffee, tea, hot chocolate, whatever it is that you and your partner worked out, 1 self-care item, 1 candle, 1 sweet treat, and an item of choice. So I am going to pack all of my items up here with you today. I'm going to start out with shrink wrap because why not? I love doing shrink wrap for these types of baskets, my gift baskets, all those kind of things, better than I like just a regular bag for gift basketing. So like this is a regular bag for gift basketing. It's a basket bag. So you put all this up in here, wrap it up real cute. I like shrink wrap better when I'm mailing because it allows everything to kind of stay in one place. So you just got to be careful. Well, I have to be careful in this particular swap because I have something that's 2 things that are meltable, my treat and my candle. So I'm going to go lightly over those areas. So I'm starting out with the shrink wrap first. Hold on, let me get this open. Okay, I'm starting out with the shrink wrap first because I don't want to have to fiddle with it when I got everything all packed in there. So I've included a couple extras in mine. Well, I guess it has to be packaged some kind of way, but I want to try to have everything be as reusable as possible for my partner. And my partner is Janice Johnson. So what I did was find this super cute, here, I'll move this out for a second. I found this super cute basket, tag off, from Five Below. It's a wire basket. It is nice and thick, deep, and it's really cute, and it could be reusable. It's a white wire, really cute basket. I just really liked it. When I saw it, I had Kyla climb up on the ladder because it's at the top shelf to grab it, and I was like, this is the basket that I want. So I'm going to put the shrink wrap under this. Okay, so we have that. And then I also found this faux fur pillowcase, and let me raise this up a little bit. I feel like you guys can't see. I found this faux fur pillowcase in this beautiful color. Actually, Kyla found it, and I thought, oh, this would be perfect. It's going to be a little large, but at Five Below as well, but I think it will go perfect with my basket, and it is so nice, and she can reuse the pillowcase. I decided not to like zip it up, and not zip it up. I decided not to cut it short and zip it so it'll fit perfectly on the basket because she can use it as a pillow if she wants. Again, I'm trying to make all things reusable, but it is, I don't know if you can see the fur. It's a blush color. It is so pretty. So anyway, it looks really whitewashed or washed out in this video, but it's a really pretty blush, beautiful color. So trying to figure out this, like I said, is larger. So I'm going to stuff the sides on the side as neatly as I can. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of shred to the bottom. I feel like I'm making a lot of noise in this video. So I'm going to grab my mug, and this is so cute. I first was going to do a handmade mug, which I had done a video on, and here is the mug. It just has Janice on it, and it's like a drip mug, but I saw this one and I like this one better, and it has like a indent. You can feel it. It's really, really cool. That's the tea, honey. That's the tea. Sip it. So cute. So I'm going to put, well, that's an item that I'm going to put there. So I really want that to be, so we'll see how this is going to work. I may shift some things around. And then I have my socks, my cozy socks. Look how comfortable these are. And goodness grief, TMIKA, take the tags off of everything. So these are really, really cute, nice and cozy. I have everything matchy, pink and gray. That's my little color scheme here. So these are really nice, fluffy socks. All right, and then we have the self-care item, which I absolutely love. It's some coffee body scrub. It's coffee and coconut body scrub, and it's just really, really nice. I have, this is my third one because I have one before, and I bought one for myself and one for her again. So that's going to go in there. And again, I may just switch some of these things around so they can sit up, because I really want them to sit up a little bit. So we'll see. And then for my drink, oh, this is good. I was gifted one of these cans maybe 3 years ago, and it's raspberry truffle tea, and it's loose leaf tea, and it has some chocolate, well, the truffle in it. It is really good, and I can smell a little bit through the container. It smells really good. So I got this one from Amazon. I don't know what the person that got it from me got it from, but you just need 1 teaspoon, 8 ounces of water, steep 1 to 3 minutes, and boom, put your pinkies up. And I love that it was the rose gold can with the pink. I was like, yes, that has to work. All right, and then for my chocolate treat, I got my favorite chocolates, Ferrero Rocher. It's a whole chocolate bar of Ferrero Rocher. Like, you cannot go wrong with that. So I have that in there. And for my candles, this is one of the videos that I have up. I'll link it down below. I made her some candles, and they smell really, really good. It's a basil and mint candle, and it has dried mint and rose leaves in them. I did the packaging in the video, the beginning to end, so I'll link that all below in the description box. And also, as my extra item of choice, I made her some coordinating basil and mint pillow spray. I also have a video on this as well. So really, really cool. Smells really good. And another item of choice that I am gifting her is this journal. It says, I'm creating the life of my dreams. It's a guided wellness journal, and it has all of the prompts and things that you can use, and she can self-care. She can self-care herself. And then finally, I'm adding, take the tag off, a pen for her to use. And it's rose gold and pink. Hello. That looked like that came together, but it didn't. I just have a knack for picking out these gift baskets. Girl, no tea, no shade. So anyway, this is everything that I'm packing up for Janice. So I'm just going to do a little bit of rearranging here, add a little fluff and stuff, and we'll come back when it's all done. Whew. Okay. It took takes some doing, y'all, but I got it all in there and it looks so cute. Let me show you. Look how pretty that looks in there. I have the sock. I have the one of the candles stuck inside the jar. I have the other candle here, the drink, the self-care coffee scrub, the spray, the chocolate journal, and the ink pen. All there. So, so cute. The cozy socks are behind there. So, I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. Let me wrap it up for you guys and get it all, I was going to say freeze dried, but get it all sealed up and I'll be right back. All right, I have that all nice and tidy and we're all done. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the come pack with me and it gave you some ideas on how you can send some crafty friends something crafty when you, one, don't have any mojo, or two, when you just want to do something uncrafty. All right, if you have a second, take a second, please like this video and let me know what you guys think. All right, talk to you later. Bye.